Legislators look to come to an agreement starting Wednesday on a statewide income tax. Our Clayton Anderson has more on how two local legislators are feeling about it.
The Missouri legislature is back in session on a special session starting Wednesday, looking to find an agreement on a tax cut using general revenue surplus from a budget that has been the largest in the state's history. State Senator Tony Luetkemeyer says this is essentially to give money back to Missourians. The legislators are looking to pass something the governor will approve after he vetoed a bill that was admittedly rushed and would give each Missouri taxpayer a one-time $500 rebate.
Inflation is hurting Missouri families. At the same time, the state has a record budget surplus. Our revenues have never been higher at the state level. I think this is exactly the time that we need to be passing an income tax cut to put money back in the pockets of working Missouri families.
In previous interviews with News Press Now, Democrats have questioned the ability of the budget to withstand tax cuts. But Luetkemeyer argues the general revenue budget without federal dollars can fund tax cuts.
The tax cuts that have been proposed by the governor are actually funded entirely through general revenue. And if you look at the two main sources of general revenue in Missouri, it really boils down to two things. One, sales taxes, which are way up right now, as well as the state individual income tax, which is also up right now.
State Representative Dean Van Scoik has heard criticism regarding money not going to those who do not qualify to pay taxes. He says the money should go to the taxpayers as they have contributed to the general revenue fund.
We're not in the business of being generous with other people's money. There's no virtue in that. We're in the business of collecting funds from people to spend for state necessities.
Clayton Anderson, News Press Now.